Hola, soy la señora Taylor-Román, and in this video we're going to practice gustar with nouns. First, let's review the gustar conjugations. Please repeat after me. A mí me gusta. A mí me gustan. A ti te gusta. A ti te gustan. A usted le gusta. A usted le gustan. A él le gusta. A él le gustan. A ella le gusta. A ella le gustan. A nosotros nos gusta. A nosotros nos gustan. A vosotros os gusta. A vosotros os gustan. A ustedes les gusta. A ustedes les gustan. A ellos les gusta. A ellos les gustan. A ellas les gusta. A ellas les gustan. Okay, now let's practice. You need a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen. Got it? You're going to pause this video as soon as you see the English sentence. And you're going to translate it to Spanish on your own sheet of paper. Once you are done translating the sentence, then play the video again and see if you got the right answer. Okay? Let's do this. The first sentence says, Marcos likes apples. And in Spanish, we will say, a Marcos le gustan las manzanas. As you can see, we're using gustan because las manzanas, it's a plural word. Okay? Let's move on. We like cereal. And in Spanish, we say, a nosotros nos gusta el cereal. In this case, we're using gusta because el cereal is a singular word. Let's do a third example. Anita doesn't like butter. So how are we going to say that in Spanish? A Anita no le gusta la mantequilla. We place the no between the redundant indirect object and the indirect object pronoun. And then we use gusta because la mantequilla is a singular noun. Paco and Luis like honey. In Spanish, we will say, a Paco y a Luis les gusta la miel. Notice that we're using the letter A before Paco and also before Luis. And then we're using the indirect object pronoun les because we're referring to them. So, a Paco y a Luis les gusta la miel. Because la miel is a singular noun, we have to use the singular form of gustar, which is gusta. Let's look at the next one. You, singular familiar, like toast. In Spanish, we will say, a ti te gusta el pan tostado. And because el pan tostado is a singular noun, we get to use gusta. Okay, let's move on. Pedro likes milkshakes. In Spanish, this sentence will read, a Pedro le gustan los batidos. And notice again that we're using the word gustan because los batidos is plural. The next sentence says, I like sweet rolls. And in Spanish, I will say it, a mí me gustan los panes dulces. Notice that because los panes dulces is a plural noun, I get to use gustan. Remember that also to make the word pan plural, we need to add es because it ends in a consonant. As opposed to dulce, which already ends in a vowel, we just add the s to make it plural. Okay, now let's look at the last one. And it is a question. What beverages do you like? In Spanish, we will ask this question this way. ¿Qué bebidas te gustan? And again, bebidas is plural, and therefore we're using the plural form of gustar. And this is it. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you have any more questions by leaving comments below. Adios!